cold
I
for
can't,
you.
I can't see though. That's Ringo.
This is Ringo.
Which board is this?
Okay, we're gonna put this right smack in the middle of you guys.
Alright.
Is this?
And see how long it takes for them to figure it out. Come here, you move.
Look at this. Look at that.
Oh,
Look at this. Oh, you want to smell it?
let's see who kind of says something, sniff, something.
That's Joseph.
Josie?
I thought it was
Oh, yeah, yummy stuff.
yummy.
Look at that yummy stuff.
There you go.
Oh, you just
No, there's a paw. Yeah, we're gonna get paws.
That's okay.
Oh, you might want to put your face in there if you want to eat it.
Like, what's this stuff?
Oh, look at
There you
this.
chow down.
Okay, seriously?
All right, you
How
gotta get
cute
this
is
picture.
that?
Are you taking any pictures? No.
Oh my goodness.
It's fine.
How cute are the two of you?
And that's Cody
And Cody, this is a double dot.
his face is smushed. He's like, jeez, look at that.
Oh,
Holy.
is this Rio?
Oh well.
What? No, that's not Rio.
There you go, that's their first food.
Chow down.
You better wake those two up and get them in there a little bit. Or it may be gone.
That's Cody.
That's Cody.
Jeez.
You get the idea.
Cody says, what's this
He's like, I
stuff?
don't want to leave.
That looks like Joseph.
Oh, yep.
Hey,
Oh, I think this is a hit. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
It doesn't take them long to figure out this is good stuff, does it?
No. Nothing. Wow. Travis's little mush is all full of it.
I love the noises they make.
Well, I like it because he wiped his face on the other one's paw, so now he's licking it off the paw.
Jeez, you guys are messy eaters.
Oh yeah,
Think of how we
they're
were when we
very
were
messy
babies.
eaters.
Goodbye.
You guys not remember your first birthday with that first chocolate cake?
Oh,